Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a Python script to get the user's home directory from the home environment variable, and then we are going to print it. So let's first import OS module, and now we are going to get user's home directory. We're calling os dot environ and pass in home. So we get the user's home directory from the home environment variable, and now we are going to print user home directory. This will be user home directory. Now we can run our code, and here's the output, and in my case this is the home directory. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.